Hi viewers, welcome back CAD Designs. Now in this video I am going to tell you how to design this chain bender with the help of CATIA software. Now here we have two drawing sheets for this. One is detailing drawing and another one is isometric view drawing. Okay. Now here total we have three quantities. One is base support and next second one and third one is two support rods. Okay. If you want to download this drawing sheet, follow our website link from the description box. And next one, see this tool application where the use of this model. This is the application for this model. Now I am going to design this model. Let's get started. When you observe this drawing sheet, here we have two views. These two views for this isometric view, this base support, and next here we have three views, and these three views for this second part. Okay. Now I am going to create this first part. This one is base support. Now see, here we have this rectangle size is 250 comma 150, and next here we have some fillet radius that is 10 radius. Okay, next and next totally we have four holes in this, so that is 15 diameter. That 15 diameter circle hole position is from this side to 15 distance, from this top to 15 distance. Okay, so first create this model. Okay, now I'm going to open this CATIA software. Now there is no any workbenches. Now I am taking part design workbench. Go to start, mechanical design, next part design. Okay, then next, now this one is part design workbench. Now I'm going to create one base sketch, right? So go to sketch and select your requirement plane. Now I'm choosing base plane. Okay, the next one, here we have this one is not required and this sketch tools is required, and next these tools also required, profile tools, and next operation tools. Okay, now here first of all I am creating one centered rectangle from here. So select that center rectangle feature, next specify center point, then next create rectangle size. Now this one is rough rectangle. Now here I am choosing some value for this, that is 250 horizontal. Then next this one is 150 vertical. Okay, and next here we have sharp corners, but we need to maintain some smooth corners here. So select this fillet feature corner, that is, next select this all edges in at a time. Then next specify your requirement value here. Now I am choosing 10 radius. Okay, enter, then next click on S. Now after that, here we need to prepare one another circle. So that is, just I am creating one circle here. Now that's diameter is 15 diameter, right? And next we need to maintain some position also for this. So specify that position from here to here, that is 15 distance. And next again choose the dimension, that constraint tool again. Now here it is 15. So now just we created one circle here, that is 15 diameters. That position is from this side to 15 distance, from this top to 15 distance. Okay, after that we need to create the same circle in this opposite side also. So just you can apply mirror feature for that. So select that mirror feature and select this object. Next specify that axis. Okay, so that is a middle line. Okay, the next one, if you want to mirror these two items again in downside, so again choose this mirror feature, and before that one, first select these two items in at a time by using control. Okay, first select these two items, go to mirror feature and specify that middle axis. So this one I am choosing. Then next, that sketch is finished. Go to exit. Now apply your requirement thickness for this. See, once observe this drawing sheet, what the thickness of this one. Now that is 20 thickness, right? Okay. Now choose this pad design feature to apply the thickness. Select this pad feature and next specify your requirement height. Now here I am choosing 20. Then next, okay. Then after that, here we have uh, 3 cylinders. So the 3 cylinder position is, now this one is exactly in center. From this center we need to maintain 70 distance in between these two circles. Okay. Then after that, from here to here we need to maintain 45 distance. That's 3 circles diameter is 15 diameter. Okay. So that is the thing here. And next, after create these 3 circles, then next directly you can apply this 35 distance height, okay, for this cylinders. So that is the sketcher dimensions. Okay, so go to that sketch again, select sketch and specify your requirement face. Okay, now here I am going to create that 2 circles. First one is on this axis and another one is on this same axis. Now here we need to maintain some diameter for this, right? So that is 15 diameter. And next, opposite one, this one also same 15 diameter. And again we need to create another circle on this axis. So this one also same 15 diameter. After that we need to maintain some distance. Okay, and these two things is not in symmetric position. First, if I want to specify symmetric position, first select these two center points and next axis and go, then next go to the dialog box. Next apply that symmetry feature for this. Okay, then next one, specify distance in between these two circles. So that is 70 distance, right? Specify 70. Okay, then next one, we need to maintain this circle position also, that is from this baseline to up to this circle center, that is 45 distance, right? Okay, then next, that circle position is okay. Then next, exit. Apply your requirement height for this by using this pad feature. So select that pad feature and specify your requirement height here. Now here I am choosing 35 distance height. Now this one is base support. Once observe this drawing sheet that all are clear or not. Now just before that we created this base plate, then after that we created these 3 circles with the help of this 35 distance height. Okay, so finally this base support is finished. Now I'm going to save this model. If I want to save the model, go to file and select the save. Next, specify your requirement folder for this. Now I'm going to save these files on this desktop. Okay, so I'm going to create one new folder for this, and that is design of chain bender. Okay, now here I'm saving this model with the help of a name, that is support. Okay, now this is base support, right? Okay, then next save it. So first model is finished successfully. Then next, close this model. Next I'm going to create that second part. So once observe the second part view. Now see, first of all, here we have total 3 views. Now first of all I'm going to create this part only. So this one, okay, here we have one hole. And next, after create this base, after that create this cylinder. Okay, now first I'm going to choose these dimensions. See what this rectangle size. Now this one is 35 diameter. Okay, so it means half of the value. Okay, so first create this 35 diameter circle and next create this rectangle shape also, that is 60 mm distance. And okay, the next one we need to maintain some distance for this one also. So what is the distance? That is 35 diameter. It means this is also 35. Okay, so first create one new file, go to start, mechanical design and part design. Okay, now I'm taking one new sketcher on this base plane. So first create the 35 diameter circle. This one is 35 diameter, right? Okay, the next one, create that rectangle shape from here to here. So this is not an exact position, just I'm taking from here again. Okay, then next one, we need to maintain some distance for this line, right? So say 60 distance for this. Now here we applied these two values, one is 60, one is 35. The next in this one, this is not required, right? So by using this quick trim feature, trim this line. Then next, again we need to create one circle here. So this is for hole and this is for cylinder, so don't create this cylinder part. So just create this this whole part only, that is 15 diameter. So again I'm creating one cylinder, that is 15 diameter circle. Then next, okay, exit. Next, specify requirement height for this. So what is the total height? Once observe from here, that one is 15 height. Actually this is also same 20. Why I am choosing 20? Because before that one we use 35 here. Okay, so when you choose 20 here and remaining value is 20, 15. Okay, so that is 20. Now I am choosing 20 height for this. Go to pad and select the sketch and specify requirement height, that is 20. Then after that we need to create one another circle on this top face. So create one another circle here. See, just we created one base part here. After that I'm going to create one another sketch. Okay, so on this same tracking, create one circle, that is also same 15 diameter circle. Okay, then after that, what's the position of the circle? So that is also required, right? From the center to, we need to maintain 30 distance. Okay, so again specify this value also, from this base center to up to here 30. Okay, then next exit. Next apply your requirement height, so that is 15 distance. Okay, now this one also clear. Okay, then next one, we need to create this cylinder part. So what this height of this cylinder part, sorry, this is not a cylinder, this is a rectangle block, right? Okay, see what the this rectangle side. Now this rectangle size is 20 distance, and next this one is 15 distance. We need to maintain exactly in center. Okay, so 20, 15, that is the rectangle size. So create that rectangle size, rectangle profile on this sketch, sorry, on this face. So go to sketch, select this face. Next, create that rectangle. Now here again I'm choosing centered rectangle. Next, this rectangle size is, one is 15 one side, and next second side is 20. Okay, this is a rectangle size. Then after that, after specify this size, we need to maintain position also, right? So what this position? See, before that we applied 20 distance for this, right? Okay, and 20 means 20 minus 15 and remaining value, so that is 5. So it means from here to here 2.5 only. Okay, so now total value is 20, right? Okay, so that is a exact rectangle size and position. The next exit. Next choose your requirement height. Now here I'm choosing 200 distance. Okay, okay, now see, this total height is 200. Okay, the next one, here we need to maintain some fillets. So what that fillet? See, here we need to maintain 2.5 radius, and next here also we need to maintain some distance, that is 2.5. Okay, then next finished. So apply that fillet radius by using this edge fillet feature. So select that edge fillet. Next select this 4 side edges. Okay, the next one, here also need to maintain 2.5, right? So select these 2 edges also. Okay, then after that, okay, so specify one value for this, that is 2.5, right? Okay, now this is that second part. Okay, then next save this model with the help of this save feature. Next, previously we created that base support, now this one is rod model. Okay, save it. Then after that, close this second model also. Next, if you want to assemble these two items, go to assembly feature, assembly workbench. So go to start, mechanical design, assembly design. Okay, so product means that is assembly file. Okay, then next one, if you want to import that existing models here, so go to insert, select that existing component feature. Next, just click on this product. After that, it is showing that window. Okay, from here you can take your models. Okay, previously we saved that models here, right? Now this one is base support and rod. Okay, now I'm going to import first this base support. Okay, now that is a base support model. Then next, if you want to import second model also, go to insert, select existing component and select the product and select that second part also. After import the second part, here it is asking uh, that name also. Now here it is showing part 1 and part 1, and here it is showing that part component name is part 1.1 and 1.2 like this. But we don't want specify like this. We need to maintain some names for this. Okay, if I want to edit that, select that base support and just click on this rename and next specify name for this. Okay, this is that this is base support part, right? So specify base support. Okay, then next one, rod part. Now this one is rod, right? So specify rod. Okay, next. Okay, the two parts is finished, but rod parts is you need to maintain two quantities. So just import again that second part also. Go to existing component, select product and select rod again. Now here it is showing two parts of rods. Okay, one is base support, and after that there is no difference in between these two rods, right? If I want to edit this name, just select the model and just right click and next go to properties and specify your requirement names for this. Okay, this one is rod 1. Okay, change that instant name and next this one also, go to properties and this one is rod 2. Okay, so this one is component name actually. Before that one part name and this one is component name. Okay, now after that finally we imported three parts here. Okay, so one is base part and two parts is rods. Okay, the next one, if you want to move this all individual parts, just you can choose these features. These all are assembly features, products, structure tools. Actually these things also not required. Here we have move features. This one is constraint features. Constraint features is required for this. The next one, this one is move feature. Okay, move toolbar. Okay, inside of this move toolbar we have one tool, that is manipulation. With the help of this manipulation you can adjust this, you can move these all parts, okay, with your requirement direction. Now here I am choosing y direction. Y direction is better for this, so y. So move these parts like this. Okay, and next one, now this is a base part, so we need to fix this one first. Okay, if I want to fix this model, go to constraints and select that fixed component tool. Next select that base part. Now this base part is fixed. Okay, so what is the meaning of this fixed? When you move this model with any particular direction, then after that when you update this feature, when you click on this update feature, so this is not moved. Okay, so it means that is fixed component. Okay, if in case when you move this component, how it is working, after that this update feature is not showing because it is possible. Okay, there is no fix, this is not a fixed component, right? So that's why. Okay, so first this part is fixed here. After that if you want to assemble these two parts here, so just you can choose that constraint features. Now here I'm choosing coincidence constraint feature. Okay, for this axis to axis coincidence. Okay, select this coincidence constraint feature and select these two axes. One is this one, sorry, not from here. We need to assemble these two axes, right? Okay, this one and this one I'm selecting. Then next update it. Now that model is coincidence with this axis to axis. Then after that move this component with z direction. because just only this one, this model is fixed with this axis to axis only. Here it is possible to move z direction, so go to move and select that z direction feature, and next move like this. Then after that we need to rotate the model also, right? So if I want to rotate the model, choose this custom axis, then next select that custom axis, next rotate like this, then next OK. After that we need to maintain zero distance from this face to this down face, right? So if I want to maintain zero distance, then next choose this offset constraint. From here to here need to maintain zero distance, so specify 0. Okay, then after that update it. Now see, one part is assembled successfully. Then next if I want to assemble second part also, again choose this coincidence constraint for these two axes. Okay, then after that update it. Next if I want to move this model in z direction, go to move feature, go to this manipulation feature and choose z direction, and next move this model like this. Then after that if I want to maintain zero distance for these two faces from here to here, use this offset constraint feature and specify zero distance. Okay, then after that update it. Then after that if I want to rotate this rod, just use this manipulation feature again. Now here again I'm choosing this custom axis. Okay, now here I'm taking this axis for custom. Then next specify your requirement position, so here it is. Okay, then next done. Now finally the two models is assembled like this. Now this is a modeling process for this chain bender. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And next, if you want to more video notifications from our channel, activate that bell icon also. Thank you.